Heading tag. Headings are defined from H1 to H6. H1 defines most important heading and H6 defines least important heading. We should always use heading text for giving headings only, not to increase the size of text. So first of all, we'll create a folder on desktop. Here I'm giving it a name, HTML, and in this folder I'm going to create a file index.html. Here I will give exclamation mark to generate our automatic code. Here within body tag I will write H1. H1 for most important heading. Size of heading will be big. Then H2. Here the size of heading will be smaller than heading 1. Heading 2. H5 for heading 5. And the last one is H6. It is least important heading, and size will be smaller than all the other headings. Heading 6. Save it and click on go live. So we can see all our headings here. After heading tag we will study BR tag. BR tag is line break tag. So for that, first of all we will write lorem. What it will do, it will generate a paragraph for you if you don't want to write any paragraph by yourself. Now it's a big paragraph. You can see there is no, everything is in same line. Here we can see, here line is going from this end of the browser to other end of the browser. So we can put here BR. It doesn't require closing tag. BR, and here also I am giving BR. Save it and we can see the output that there is a line break here. Now our next tag is HR tag. HR tag is used to create a horizontal line. Like here we can see here after heading there is no horizontal line. If I want to give horizontal line here, we can use HR tag. So I'm going to use HR tag after headings tag, HR. It is also empty tag, like it doesn't require closing tag to be used. And here we can see we have got HR, horizontal ruler. Similarly, if I want to give HR tag after our paragraph, so I will give HR tag here and will give horizontal ruler under this paragraph. Here we can see there is horizontal ruler. Now our next tag is paragraph tag. Paragraph always starts from a new line and is given by P tag. So for that I am writing again lorem. It has generated a text for us, and here in the starting I am giving P tag, and I am putting closing of P here. Here again I am giving the starting of paragraph tag, closing of tag. Save it and we can see its result in our browser. Here it has given line break, and in between two lines there is also a space. Next we will see bold tag. Bold is to make the text bold. So I am deleting all this. And here I am writing B. B is for bold. It will make the text bold. So this is a bold text. Here I am giving BR for line break. After bold, we will see italic. It will make the text italic. Save it, and this is italic. Then is underline. For underline we are using U. Underline, save it, and this text is underlined text. Then is superscript. For superscript we will write SUP within angular brackets. What it does, it will it will rise the text about the normal text. Like I have to write 2 raised to power 2. So I will write 2 here, then super SUP and another 2 within this super. Save it, and this is 2 raised to power 2. Then is subscript. Like H2O we write, whenever we write H2O, 2 is below the normal text. For that we will write sub. So H, then SUB sub, and within this sub I am writing 2, and outside this sub I will be writing O. Save it, and this is H2O.